Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, November 21st. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the 10-year notes ZNF 45 minutes chart here. We can see that the rally from 128 over here nicely subdivides into a 5 waves structure here, quite clear and clean, and we should be looking for the 10-year notes therefore to finish. After it finishes this 5 waves rally, it should then pull back in 3 waves, and as far as the pullback stays above this 128, we can expect the 10-year notes to resume higher again afterwards. Now, since it is a 5 waves up from here, now obviously it can extend more than just what we are presenting here because it is a 5 waves rally after all. So it is not an invitation to sell in any way from what the chart is showing here, as it is a 5 waves up. Now, if looking at the bigger picture now, looking at the 4-hour chart, for example, now we can see right here, this is the rally that we saw in the 45 minutes chart, looking impulsive. Even in the 4-hour chart, this looks pretty clean as a 5 waves right here. Now what's interesting here in the larger degree is if we look at it from September the 3rd here, okay, September 3rd. Now this decline that we saw here from September 3rd to November 8th, alright, that is a 3 swings. Alright, that is clearly a 3 swings pullback. It's not an impulse, which means, and then you know, the previous sort of move has been bullish, right? Has been bullish, and then the pullback, even though it is big and it is 2 months, but it is clearly corrective, 3 swings. So now this rally, then it could either be the sort of the new leg that will take us into a new high, or it could be just another correction of this entire 3 waves pullback. In other words, we could be just doing simple you know, like an ABC like this, and then fail, and then turns lower again. Now let's take a look again. So from what we got here in the 1 hour, this low in 128 is labeled as a W. Okay, so this is a W here. So which means that as of now, what we are presenting here then is some sort of further consolidation here, possibly doing something like this, right? Doing something like this, and then maybe we can then turn lower again after we finish this EBC correction, right? Regardless, we have 2 different possibilities basically. First possibility is that we can get you know, like a double correction like this, and then turns lower again. But even in this case, because of a 5 waves up from here, okay, because of a 5 waves rally from here, chances are you're still gonna have another leg higher again anyway, or even if we're going to turn lower. Now the turning lower here is the one that may or may not happen, because we do get a 3 waves pullback already from September the 3rd. In other words, we could have ended this entire correction, and then this could have been, instead of wave A, this could have been wave 1, and wave 2 is a new bullish cycle. And if that's the case, then the 10-year notes can break higher again in wave 3, 4, and 5 to the upside. Okay, so I think either scenario, either we are just doing further consolidation, turning lower again, or we are already in the new bullish leg. Either scenario suggests, due to the 5 waves up from the lows, most likely we still gonna have another leg higher again after the pullback is complete here, either in the C leg or in the wave 3 to the upside. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe so if you enjoy it, and we have 14 days free trial as well. You are free to check our service. I will provide the link in the description of the video below. Okay, so see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.